Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to download the chat transcript using the inbuilt AWS Connect chat widget, right? So before moving on, just to see, highlight your attention over here that 89% are not subscribing to the channel, and you can watch this video into 1.5x, although the video is pretty much small in size. Okay, so they have enabled something called download chat transcript, right? And for this information, what they are saying is use the customization object. So if you remember the previous video that we added, right? How to enable or pass the different transcript name, customer name, agent name, supervisor, and also disable few of the icons, right? So now what they have saying that if you enable something called drop down, right, equal to true. So what I will do is I will just copy this one and go to my over here and paste it over here. Oops, not here. Uh, so I will copy whole. I will paste it over here. So you will see more of the details over here. Let the customer display name by that. Transcript I will remove. I don't require anything from the transcript, but I want to disable the emoji. I also want to disable the this one and disable footer equal to false. Okay. Now what I will do is I will refresh my page where I was modifying this thing. So this is for the sync.html over here. And once I refreshed and start over here, what you will see is that emoji is missing, right? Also, what you will see in the in the top side, there is a something called three drop down menu kind of a thing, and we can see the chat transcript. So what I will do is I will first connect to the agent so that we can download the transcript from the agent side also. So, so hi, hello, something like that. And this is from customer side. Okay. And hi. Okay. Now what I will do is I will just download the transcript. So what it will do is, okay, it's downloaded the transcript. If I open over here, what we will see is the whole communication between the bot first and then with the customer, sorry, with the agent. All this information that you can see. Okay. Hopefully you find the video useful, and thank you. Have a nice day.